Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Amazing Progress 10. Today let's understand the sound blocks of Scratch. First let's pick a sprite. I'll take the hand. Wait. Yes. Let's start the code with this. The first block of sound is play sound but until done. So this block basically plays a specific sound until that the whole sound is done. Or we can change it with record. Let's say allow. Okay, let's start beginning recording. LOL, lol. LOL, lol. Same. And then it'll say, I'll change a bit recording one. LOL, lol. So it plays the sound until it's done. Next, we can choose a specific sound by going to the sound button of the costume, which is after code. We can choose a specific from scratch. Let's say goose. Or we can also take other ones from our computer, or we can also record few. Now let's take the goose. Play sound goose until done. If I keep this in the forever, it will be on play. Next is the start sound goose. So now if I take repeat and block and then put this in the forever, see that? That's the difference. It's starting sound and then it's repeating 10, so it's getting it like that. This block, which is basically telling to start a specific sound. Next is the stop all sounds. Let's say play goose until done, and then wait 1 second. Play bird until done, and then I'll go to this repeat block. Wait, repeat. I'll say it twice. Wait 1 second. Stop all sound. And then all sounds are stopped. So this block basically stops all sounds which are playing currently. Next is the change pitch and set pitch, or we can say piano left right effect button. Or we can put them to a specific number effect. So let's say change pitch by 10. I'll keep this here. It's changed its pitch and I'll set pitch. First the pitch was high, then it's changed. Now let's change it. Both of them to pan left and right. There is a difference between the both of sounds. It's just changing the volume, like not more of volume, the pitch by 10 or low. Next is the clear sound effects. This block is different from this block. This block clears the sound effects, but now the sounds. This block stops all the sounds. It doesn't like this block. If we keep this block, it clears them, but we can add effects after that. For this block, it just stops them forever. Next is change volume, set volume, and volume. Yeah. So now let's say change volume by 3 times 30. The volume will be 60. 4 times, yes. And then few more times 30. 0. Now this block helps us change volume by a specific number. Let's say 100. 2 times, which is 200. The volume or set. First, let's say change volume by -10 and play goose until done. Set volume to 100. Start sound goose. There's a difference between the voice. First one was lower than the second one because the live was low. Because the sound was low. And this block here helps us measure the volume of something. Now the volume is 100, 67. Now I'll say 7. The volume is 67. I'll say 46, 67. Now I'll start it. Now the volume is 46. It just helps us measure the volume of every number. So these are all the few even sound blocks in Scratch. They help us start a few specific sounds which we were looking for. So that's it guys for today. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and share this video with your friends and family. On my YouTube channel you have over 50 videos. Make sure that you watch them all, give them a thumbs up and share them. Thank you for watching. Bye.